Next, over here we have is it advisable to mix all the concepts that I've learned into a unique trading style, such as incorporating WikiFX theory into Elliott Wave theory, and should I solely focus on trading concept? Good question. I think this is solid. Because in your process of trading, you naturally will come across many different concepts, many different techniques, many different methodologies, and it's important to go through them. Okay, because if today you only learn one, then you are stuck with it. You have no choice. So I always encourage people to learn as many as you can. But at one point in time, right, this is something that you will come across. You will ask yourself, okay, so now that I've known quite a bit, which one should I focus? Which one should I stick to? You would realize that for me, okay, so I just share with you my experience and hopefully that helps as well. For me, I started off very simple price action, right? Everyone started off with support, resistance, and things like that. Structure trading, and then I started to explore into harmonic patterns. And then I go into maybe some intraday stuff, looking at pivot points, volume profiles, indicator based trading, and then of course, I also come across Elliott Wave. That's where I have many different strategies and methodologies on my toolkit, right, in my toolbox. But do I use them all today? The answer is no. Okay, because as I would say this, as your lifestyle change, as your personality change as well develop, right, your trading style would change. Okay, and some methods are well designed for certain approach in trading, such as intraday or swing trade. Like pivot points are more effective, especially on the shorter term day trading, than if you use like Elliott Wave in day trading. It's not going to be as effective as compared to swing trade, right? So each method would have its unique strength. Okay, so you need to understand that aspect. And then of course you also need to be accustomed and find something that aligns to the lifestyle, right? So for example, if today you don't have the time to commit to the markets maybe 2 hours every day, then day trading may not suit your lifestyle. Okay? Or maybe you just don't enjoy it, right? Then day trading may not suit your lifestyle. So you need to find out all these aspects, right? And you want to blend it into your day-to-day life, okay? Because if trading is something that you find very effortful and you don't enjoy it, okay, it becomes a chore, it's not going to be successful, right? Because if something that you don't enjoy and you force yourself to do it, it's not going to be successful. Okay, so it's just like, if today you don't like exercising and then you force yourself to do it, it's not going to be consistent, right? Because at the end of the day, you're going to give up, right? When no one's looking. Same thing in that aspect, okay? You want to integrate and blend trading as part of daily life, right? So for me, I enjoy the process of analysis, but I don't like to stare at the chart every day, every hour. Okay, so what I do is then I look at swing trading because I don't need to stare it a long time. Okay, so what I do is I open my chart in the morning. Okay, during Asian session, it's not really moving a lot. I do all my analysis, I prepare my trades, and then that's about it. I put in my pending order and manage my trade, and then for the rest of the day, I don't actively trade it anymore because I have all my pending orders. I just manage them, right? So that blends into my daily lifestyle, which is great. Okay, so you want to find something like that. Okay, so that will give you some clue as to like which technique fits. Okay, the worst thing you're gonna do is you try to put everything into a strategy. Don't do that. Okay, don't do that. To be honest, Elliott Wave itself is complex enough, so you probably don't want to mix too many things into it. WikiFX theory, if I'm not mistaken, I studied it a little bit. It talks about accumulation distribution, and then after accumulation distribution, that's where you get a big move. It has some similarity in Elliott Wave in a way, right? So you can pull principles out like that to integrate into your own style. Okay, but just don't overcomplicate that and then you end up being analysis paralysis, which means it's so complex that you have no idea how to do it. Okay, so don't do it. Don't fall into that trap. Okay, so I hope that helps. The mistakes that I think many traders can commit to is they start off with the question on which is the best method, and then they just zoom in and focus on that. Okay, you don't want to start off with that question in mind. Okay, you want to always start off with understanding your personality, your daily lifestyle. Start from there, see which one fits it. Okay, because when the strategy works, it only works when it fits into you as a trader. Okay, if today you are a swing trader, you try to use a day trading strategy, it may work short term, it's not going to work sustainably. Same thing, if you're a day trader, you try to look for swing trading strategy, it's not going to work for you. Okay, so it's not about which method is the best, but start off by understanding your style, your personality, what you like, what you don't like, and then find something to suit it. Okay, that's the right approach that I feel, right? It's going to be more effective. Cool? Yeah, so I hope that can answer these questions for you guys.